Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send friend request on Threads. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you will get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. If you want to send a friend request to someone on Threads, first of all open up the Threads mobile application. Once you do open up the Threads mobile application, this interface will appear. For example, if I want to send a friend request to this specific person right here, tap on it and you should be able to find this follow button. Once you tap on this follow button, a friend request will be sent on Threads. Otherwise, what you can do is at the bottom left is a search. Tap on it and search for any of the specific person. Go for the specific person and tap on this follow button. Once you tap on this follow button, a friend request will be sent to this person, and that is how you can simply send friend request on Threads. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.